Thank you so much for coming out to our open house here at 35 Burney Boulevard in Mastic in the neighborhood of Manor Park. Before you enter the house, I want to go over a couple of things as far as what to expect, and so I can increase your experience and so that you can enjoy your visit here. On the table, you'll see a map of the house or a floor plan of the house, and you'll see numbers 1 through 10 and then a pink line through the house. Okay, the pink line is going to represent the path that you should be going through this house, and the numbers are the first stop, second stop, and all the way out to the 10th stop. Once you get out to the backyard, you'll see that you go around the house outside and leave and exit the side gate. Okay, because it's a small house and because of COVID, I want to make sure there's only 2 parties in the house at one time, and to limit any kind of crossing and transfer of people coming through. So the other thing is that I also wanted to spend a little time and talk to you about the neighborhood of Manor Park. Manor Park is a small section of North Mastic that is within the Eastport South Manor School District, okay? That is probably one of the best things that you could ever ask for, and in my opinion, because of it, it makes it the best neighborhood to be in. So in order to get within the Eastport South Manor School District, you would have to live in parts of Spionk, Eastport, East Moriches, and Manorville, and of course here in Manor Park. And if you know the real estate and the property values of the areas I mentioned, you're looking at taxes at anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000, and houses starting at around the low 4s, okay? And again, these are conservative numbers. These are entry-level type homes. So at Manor Park, you're always going to have a great value of property just because of the school district. And I'm not saying because the school district is better than any other one, okay? It's just the perceived value of Eastport South Manor that it has. And so no matter what market you're in, seller's market or a buyer's market, there's always going to be demand in this area, so you can feel comfortable with making your purchase and having value no matter what time. Okay, again, my name is James Pitney. I am the listing agent here. I will be inside checking you in. If you have any questions, I will be there. I am big, you can't miss me. So like I said, please enjoy, and after your open house visit here, please be safe out there on our holiday weekend of Labor Day. Okay, thanks so much, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.